主上的万花筒，把所有至交亲朋和贵宾的祝福向天喷射，喷射出甜蜜、多彩和无数美好的。
Well, we just witnessed the first countdown ever happening in Beijing and ushered in the year 2012. We just bid farewell to the year 2011. Well, thousands of people, including tourists, students, and special guests, are joining the celebration at the Temple of Heaven. And as we can right now see on screen, the digital lighting has transformed part of the temple grounds into a giant skyward-facing analog clock. While LED lights are shooting colored beams into the sky. And the countdown just happened, of the final second just happened on the temple itself, and a triple-tiered gable structure built in the early 1400s where emperors used to pray for the good harvests. And 3D visual effects were created by the lighting effect. Right, now let's cross over to the other cities to see how Shanghai and Hong Kong are doing their own countdown. Right now we are witnessing the countdown in Hong Kong. This year's spectacular pyrotechnic show in Hong Kong lasted for 4 minutes, greeting the world with a Happy New Year, created by pyrotechnic effects appearing above Victoria Harbour for the first time. And a huge countdown screen flashed on the Hong Kong International Finance Centre. And fireworks were also set up from the roofs of 10 landmark buildings across the city. 250 kilograms were exploded. The celebrations took on the theme of soaring dragon with a happy heart. And a golden dragon also spiraled up the 2 buildings, symbolizing a vibrant new year for a very happy, healthy and prosperous 2012.